Hello student, today we are going to learn approximation. Topic comes under application of derivative. Before beginning this topic, we will answer some simple question. Square root of 25, you can easily answer it is 5. Cube root of 64, there is 4. Sin 30 degree, half log 100 to the base 10. But it is not easy to find the approximate value of square root of 24.95, cube root of 63, sine 29 degree 30 minute, log 101 to the base 10. We can use different method to calculate such kind of value, but today we are going to learn how to use differentiation under application of derivative to find approximate value of square root of 24.95, cube root of 60, sine 29 degree 30 minute, and so on. Before that, we will see the definition of derivative of function f of x at x is equal to a. The definition is, if f of x is a differentiable function of x, then the derivative at x is equal to a is given by f dash of a is equal to, as h tends to 0, f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. By removing this limit, f dash of a equal to becomes approximately equal to, and symbolically it can be written in this symbol. Therefore, f dash of a is approximately equal to f of a plus h minus f of a upon h. Now, on simplifying this equation, we'll get f of a plus h is approximately equal to a plus h into f dash of a. This is the formula for finding the approximate value of the function f of x at x is equal to a plus h, where f dash of a exists. By using this, we can find approximate value of logarithmic, trigonometric, inverse, exponential, and trigonometric. Now we'll see graphically. Draw the graph of the function y is equal to f of x and draw the tangent to this function at x is equal to a. We'll see that at some interval a to a plus h, the path of the function and the tangent line to that function are same. Therefore, this tangent line shows the approximate value of this function y is equal to f of x at x is equal to a. Therefore, this method is also called as tangent line approximation, or is linear approximation. Now we'll see the some steps to find the approximate value of f of x. Decide the function f of x whose approximate value is to be determined. For example, cube root of 63. Then take the function f of x is equal to cube root of this x. Therefore, f of x is equal to cube root of x. After finding f of x, find f dash of x by differentiating it with respect to x. Then find value of a and h. To find value of this a, find a such that it is very near to 63, and you can easily find its cube root also. Therefore, a is equal to 64. Then find h such that 63 minus 60 minus 1. Therefore, value of h is minus 1. After finding value of a and h, find f of a and f dash of a and put in the formula of approximation of a plus h approximately equal to of a plus h into a. Will get approximate value of the quantity. Now, some important point to be remember. First point is smaller the h value will get better approximation. Secondly, while differentiating trigonometric function angle measured in radian, if angle is in degree, then use the relation 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian. Third is while you are differentiating logarithmic function, base is natural logarithm, while in the problem common logarithm with the base 10. Therefore, use the relation log e to the base 10 is equal to 0.4343. Now, actual we are going to find approximate value of the functions. First is square root of 64.1. Now define f of x appropriate to this quantity square root of 64.1. Therefore, f of x can be written as square root of x. Differentiating it with respect to x, get f dash of x is equal to 1 upon 2 root of x. Now we are going to find the value of a and h. Find the value of a such that is very near to 64.1 and you can easily find its square root. Therefore, the value of a is 64 and h is 0.1. How to get h? 64.1 minus 60. Therefore, h is 0.1. Now, after finding the value of a and h, put x is equal to a is equal to 4 in f of x and f dash of x. Will get f of a is equal to square root of 64 is equal to 8 and f dash of a is equal to 1 upon 2 root 4, which is equal to 1 upon 2 of 2 into 8, that is 1 by 16 equal to 0.0625. After finding f of a and f dash of a, put the value in the approximation. F of a plus h is approximately f of a plus h into f dash of a. We have already find value of f of s is f of 64 is equal to 8 and f dash of a is 0.0625, h is 0.1. By substituting this value in the formula, you will get f of 64.1 is approximately equal to f of 64 plus 0.1 into f dash of 64. F of 64 is 8, f dash of 64 is 0.5 and h is 0.1. That value will get f of 64.1 approximately equal to 8.00625. Therefore, square root of 64.1 is 8.00625. Your final. Now, next example is find approximate value of 3.98 cube. Now, we'll find f of x appropriate to the given value. So, f of x can be defined as x cube. Therefore, differentiating it with x, we get f dash of x is 3x square. Now, we are going to find value of a and h. Find out value of a near to 3.98 such that we will make its cube easily. Therefore, its value is 4 and h is 0.98 minus 4. Therefore, h should be minus 0.2. Now, after finding value of a, put x is equal to a is equal to 4 in f of x and f dash of x. Get f of a as 4 cube 4. F dash of a is 3 into 4 square. Therefore, 3 into 8. Then we'll put this value in the formula of approximation. F of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 4 minus 0.02 approximately equal to 64 minus 0.02 into 48. Value of f of 4 is 64. Value of f dash of 4 is 48. Therefore, f of 3.98 approximately equal to 63.4. Therefore, approximate value of 3.98 cube is equal to 63.4. We'll see one more example. F of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 1.98. We have to find approximate value of this function at x is equal to 1.98. Now function is already given. We will keep f of x as it is. Therefore f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3. Now differentiating this f of x with respect to x, the derivative of x cube is 3x square, derivative of 5x square is 10x, derivative of minus 2x is minus 2, and 3 is constant, so its derivative is 0. Therefore f dash of x is equal to 3x square plus 10x minus 2. Now we are finding the value of a and h. In the similar manner, to find the value of a, it is very near to 1.98, so that we can make its cube, square and multiplication easily. Therefore value of a closer to 1.98 is 2. Therefore h is 1.98 minus 2. Therefore h is equal to minus 0.02. Now put this value x is equal to a is equal to 2 in f of x and f dash of x. Get f of a and f dash of a. F of a is equal to 2 cube plus 5 into 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 3. On calculating this value, we will get f of a is equal to 27. And f dash of a is 3 into 2 square plus 10 into 2 minus 2. We will get f dash of a is also 30. By finding this value of f of a and f dash of a, we will put in the formula of approximation f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 2 minus 0.02 approximately equal to f of 2 minus 0.02 dash of 2. Value of f of 2 is 27. The value of f dash of 2 is 30. By putting this value, we will get f of 1.98 approximately equal to 27 minus 0.6, that is f of 1.98 approximately equal to 26.4. Therefore, the approximate value of f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 2x plus 3 at x is equal to 1.98 is 26.4. Next is we'll see approximate value of trigonometric function. So find approximate value of sine 30 degree 30 minute, given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian and cos 30 degree is equal to 0.866. Now we'll find f of x appropriate to the given value sine 30 degree 30 minutes. Therefore f of x is sine x. Differentiate it with respect to x, you will get f dash of x. Derivative of sine x is cos x. Now this angle 30 degree 30 minute converted to radian as 30 degree plus 30 minute. 30 minute converted to degree, 30 by 60 degree, which is equal to 1 by 2 degree. 30 degree is nothing but pi by 6. 1 degree is 0.0175 radian. Therefore 1 by 2 degree is equal to 0.0175 divided by 2 radian. Therefore, which is equal to pi by 6 plus 0.00875. Therefore, value of A is pi by 6 and H is 0.00875. Now after finding the value of A and H, we'll put X is equal to A is equal to pi by 6 in f of x and f dash of x, get f of A and f dash of A as f of pi by 6 is equal to sine pi by 6. Sine pi by 6 is sine 30 degree. Sine 30 degree is 1 upon 1 by 1 half, or it is half. So that should be equal to 0.5. Now f dash of A is equal to cos pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is cos 30 degree. Value is already given, so which is equal to 0.866. After finding the value of f of A and f dash of A, we'll put this value in the formula of approximation. F of A plus H approximately equal to f of A plus H into f dash of A. Therefore, f of pi by 6 plus 0.00875 approximately equal to f of pi by 6 plus 0.0875 into f dash of pi by 6. Value of H is 0.0875. Here, the value of H is f of pi by 6 already calculated 0.5. F dash of pi by 6 already calculated 0.866. By putting this value, you will get f of 30 degree 30 minute approximately equal to 0.5 plus 0.075775. By calculating this, you will get f of 30 degree 30 minute is approximately equal to 0.57577. Therefore, the approximate value of sine 30 degree 30 minute is 0.5757, your approximate value. Next, we'll find approximate value of inverse trigonometric function. Therefore, find approximate value of tan inverse of 0.99, given that pi is equal to 3.1416. Now we'll define f of x appropriate to the given value tan inverse of. Therefore, f of x is tan inverse of x. Now differentiating it with respect to x, derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. We are finding the value of A and H. Find the value of A, it is near to 0.99 equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to 1. 0.99 minus 1 is minus 0.01. Therefore, value of H is minus 0.01. Now adding A and H, we'll get this value 0.99. After putting this value x is equal to A is equal to 1 in f of x and f dash of x, we'll get f of A and f dash of A. Therefore, f of A is equal to f of 1 is equal to tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1, you know that it is pi by 4. So value of pi is 3.1416. That value will get f of A is equal to f of 1 is equal to 0.1416 divided by 4. And f dash of A to f dash of 1 is 1 upon 1 plus 1 square equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, is 0.5. After finding this value f of A and f dash of A, the formula of approximation, that is f of A plus H approximately equal to f of A plus H into f dash of A. Therefore, f of 1 minus 0.01 approximately equal to f of 1 plus H is minus 0.01 into f dash of 1. Value of f of 1 is 3.1416 divided by 4. value of f dash of 1 is 0.5. That value and calculate. After we'll get f of 0.99 approximately equal to 0.7804. Therefore, approximate value of tan inverse 0.99 is 0.78. So next example is we'll find approximate value of exponential function also. Therefore, find approximate value of e raised to 1.005 given that e is equal to 2.7183. We will find function appropriate to this given value e raised to something. Therefore, f of x is e raised to x. Now differentiating it with respect to x, get f dash of x, derivative of e raised to x is itself e raised to x. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to e raised to x. Now we are going to find the value of a and h. Find the value of a is very near to 1.005, that is a is equal to 1, and h is 1.005 minus 1 is 0.005. Now we'll put x is equal to a is equal to 1 in f of x and f dash of x, and finding f of a and f dash of a. Therefore, f of a is equal to f of 1 is equal to e raised to 1. E raised to 1 is e. Value of e is given 2.7183. Therefore, f of a is 2.7183. Now, f dash of a is e raised to 1. E raised to 1 is e. Again, value of e is 2.7183. After finding this value f of a and f dash of a, we put in the formula of approximation. We have f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h in f dash of a. Therefore, f of 1 plus 0.005 approximately equal to f of 1 plus 0.005 in f dash of 1. Value of f of 1 0.783. Value of f dash of 1 also 2.7183. By putting this value and calculating, we'll get f of 1.005 approximately equal to 2.7318915. Therefore, approximate value of exponential function e raised to 1.005 is 2.7318915. Now we are going to see how to find approximate value of logarithmic function. Therefore, find approximate value of log of 998 to the base 10, given that log e to the base 10 is 0.43. Now we'll define function f of x appropriate to this value, log of. Therefore, f of x is log of x to the base 10. Now differentiate it with respect to x, you will get f dash of x is 1 upon x into log of 10 to the base e, because it is not natural logarithm to the base 10. So while you are differentiating log x to the base 10, you have to change base log x upon log 10 to the base e, and derivative of log x is 1 by x, and 1 upon log 10 to the base e is constant. Therefore, we keep it as it is. Derivative of log x is by x. Now, log 10 to the base e, on simplifying you will get log e to the base 10, interchanging number and base. While your denominator goes to numerator of logarithmic function, the number and base get interchanged. by rule of logarithm. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to log e to the base 10 upon x. But the value of log e to the base 10 is already given, that is 0.4343. Therefore, f dash of x is equal to 0.43 upon x. Now we are going to find the value of a and h. So to find the value of a is very close to 998. Therefore, a is 1000. H is 998 minus 1000 is equal to minus. Now at x is equal to a is equal to 1000, f of x and f dash of x becomes f of a and f dash of a. Of a is equal to of 1000 is equal to log of 1000 to the base 10. Now we know that 1000 can be written as 10 cube, and by using laws of logarithm, log 10 cube to the base 10 can be written as 3 log 10 to the base 10, and standard formula is that log a to the base a is 1, therefore log 10 to the base 10 is 1. So answer is 3 into 1 is 3. Therefore f of a equal to f of 1000, 3. Now f dash of 1000, that is f dash of a, is equal to 0.4343 upon 1000 equal to 0.000434. After finding this value of f of a and f dash of a, we will put in the formula of approximation f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 1000 minus 2 is approximately equal to f of 1000 minus 2 into f dash of 1000. Value of f of 1000 is 3. Value of f dash of 1000 is 0.000434. By putting this value in equation and simplifying, you will get f of 998 approximately equal to 2.9991314. Therefore, the approximate value of log of 998 to the base 10 is 2.99991314. Now we are going to solve some example from textbook exercise 2.2. Find approximate value of fifth root of 31.98. For this, we'll define the function f of x is equal to fifth of x, that is x raised to 1 by 5. Now differentiating it with respect to x, you will get f dash of x is equal to 1 upon fifth root of x raised to 4. Now find the value of a and h. Find the value of a which is very near to 31.98. That value we can easily find its fifth root, therefore it is 32. The value of h is 31.98 minus 32 equal to minus 0.02. Now at x is equal to a is equal to 32, f of x and f dash of x become f of a is equal to f of 32. Fifth root of 32 is 2, and f dash of a is equal to f dash of 32 1 upon 5 into fifth root of 32 raised to 4. Now we'll split this 32 raised to 4 as 2 raised to 5 raised to 4. Then this fifth root and 2 raised to power 5 get cancelled, raised to 4. Therefore 5 into 2 raised to 4, 5 into 6, 1 upon 80. Now putting this value of f of a and f dash of a and h in the formula of approximation of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into dash of a. Therefore, f of 32 minus 0.02 approximately of 32 minus 0.02 into f dash of 32. F of 32 is 2, f dash of 32 is 1 upon 80, and h is minus 0.02. By putting this value in the equation and simplifying it by calculating the values, we'll get f of 31.98 approximately equal to 1.9997. Therefore, the approximate value of fifth root of 31.98 is 1.9997. Next example is find approximate value of the function f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10 at x is equal to 1.12. I have to find this approximate value of this function at x is equal to 1. Now f of x keep as it is already function given. Therefore f of x is equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10. Differentiate it with respect to x. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of 5x square is 10x. Derivative of minus 7x is minus 7. And derivative of 10 is 0 because it is constant. Therefore f dash of x become 3x square plus 10x minus 7. Now we are going to find value of a and h. Value of a is very near to 1.12, that we can make its easily cube square multiplication. Therefore we will take a as 1, h is 1.12 minus 1 is 0.12. At x is equal to a is equal to 1, f of x and f dash of x become f of a is equal to f of 1 equal to 1 cube plus 5 into 1 square minus 7 into 1 plus 10. By calculating this, we will get f of 1 is equal to 9. And f dash of a is f dash of 1 is equal to 1 square plus 10 into 1, 7. Get f dash of 1 is equal to 6. Now we'll put this value in formula of approximation. F of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 1 plus 0.12 approximately equal to f of 1 plus 0.12 into f dash of 1. Value of f of 1 is 9. Value of f dash of 1 is 6 and h is 0.12. Therefore, by putting this value and calculating, you will get f of 1.12 approximately equal to 9.72. Therefore, the value of function f of x is equal to x plus 5x square minus 7x plus 10 at x is 1.12 approximately equal to 9.72. Next example is cos 60 degree 30 minute. Given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian and root 3 is equal to 1.732. I will define function f of x as cos of x. Differentiating it with respect to x, f dash of x is equal to derivative of cos x is minus sin x. We are finding the value of a and h. A is equal to, for that we convert this 60 degree 30 minute into radian. 60 degree 30 minute is equal to 60 degree plus 30 minute. 30 minute convert to the degree by using formula 30 divided by 60, minute become degree. 30 divided by 60 is half degree plus half degree. 60 degree is nothing but pi by 3 radian. Half degree, convert it into the radian, we have given 1 degree equal to 0.0175 radian. Therefore half degree is equal to 0.0175 divided by 2, radian. Therefore, pi by 3 plus 0.00875 radian. Now you will get easily value of A is pi by 3 and value of H is 0.00875. At x is equal to A is equal to pi by 3 of x and f dash of x become f of A is equal to f of pi by 3 is cos pi by 3. Cos pi by 3 is cos 60 degree equal to half 0.5. F dash of A is equal to f dash of pi by 3 is equal to minus sine pi by 3, which is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Value of root 3 is given 1.732. Therefore, minus 1.732 divided by 2 equal to minus 0.866. After finding the value of f of A and f dash of A, we are putting in the formula of approximation. F of A plus h approximately equal to f of A plus h into f dash of A. Therefore, f of pi by 3 plus 0.00875 approximately equal to f of pi by 3 plus 0.0875 into f dash of pi by 3. F of pi by 3 is 0.5. F dash of pi by 3 is minus 0.866. By putting this value and calculating, we'll get f of 60 degree 30 minute approximately equal to 0.424. Therefore, approximate value of cos 60 degree 30 is 0.423. Now next example is find approximate value of tan 45 degree 40 minutes. Given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian. Now we'll define function f of x. Tan 45 degree 40 have to calculate. Therefore, f of x is tan x. Differentiating it with respect to x, derivative of tan x is sec square x. We are going to find the value of a and h. Before that, we'll convert this value 40 degree 40 minute into radian. So 45 degree 40 minute can be written as 45 degree plus 40 minute. 40 minute converted to 2 degree as 40 divided by 60, that will be 2 by 3 degree. Now 45 degree is equal to pi by 4 radian and 2 by 3 degree converted to radian. We have given that 1 degree is equal to 0.0175 radian. Therefore, 2 by 3 degree is equal to 2 by 3 into 0.0175. By calculating, we'll get pi by 4 plus 0.011667. Now easily you can find the value of A is pi by 4 and H is 0.011667. For finding value of A and H, at x is equal to A is equal to pi by 4, f of x and f dash of x become f of A is equal to f of pi by 4 is equal to tan pi by 4. Value of tan pi by 4 is 1. Now f dash of pi by 4 is equal to sec square pi by 4. You know that sec pi by 4 is root 2. Therefore, sec square pi by 4 is 2 square. This should be equal to 2. Now put this value f of A and f dash of A in formula of approximation. F of A plus h approximately equal to A plus h into f dash of A. Therefore, f of pi by 4 plus 0.011667 approximately equal to pi by 4 plus 0.01167 into f dash of pi by 4. F of pi by 4 1, f dash of pi by 4 is 2. By putting this value and calculating, we'll get f of 45 degree 40 minute is approximately equal to 1.0333. Therefore, approximate value of tan 45 degree minute is 1.0333. 0.0233. Now, next example is find approximate value of cot inverse of 0.999 given that I is equal to 3.1416. We define the function f of x is cot inverse of x. Differentiating it with respect to x, derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 upon plus x square. Now we'll take value of a very near to 0.999. Take a is equal to 1. H is 0.999 minus 1 equal to minus 0.001. Now at x is equal to a is equal to 1, f of x and f dash of x becomes f of a, f of 1 is equal to cot inverse of 1. Cot inverse of 1 is pi by 4. Value of I is 3.1416, therefore 0.14 by 4. F dash of a is equal to f dash of 1 minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 square equal to minus 1 upon 1 plus 1 minus 1 upon 2, which is equal to minus 0.5. Now we'll put the value of f of a, f dash of a and h in the formula of approximation of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 1 minus 0.001 approximately equal to f of 1 minus 0.001 into dash of 1. F of 1 is 3.1416 divided by 4. F dash of 1 is minus 0.5. By putting this value in the formula and calculating, you will get f of 0.999 approximately equal to 0.7959. Therefore, approximate value of cot inverse of 0.999 is 0.7959. Next example is find approximate value of 3 raised to 2.01 given that log 3 to the base e equal to 1.0986. We'll define function f of x as 3 raised to x because 3 raised to 2.01 is 1. Take of x as 3 raised to x. Differentiate it with respect to x, we will get derivative of 3 raised to x is 3 raised to x into log 3. Value of log 3 is given 1.0986. Now we'll find a. Finding the value of a is very close to 0.01. Therefore, we'll take a as 2 and h equal to 0. So h is, how to find h? 2.01 minus 2. You will get h is equal to 0. Therefore, at x is equal to a is equal to 2, f of x and f dash of x becomes f of a is equal to f of 2, 3 square is 9, and f dash of a is equal to f dash of 2 is equal to 3 square into log 3. 3 square is 9 and log 3 is 1.0986. Calculate it, you get 9.8874. Value of f dash of a to f dash of 2 is 9.887. Now we'll put this value formula of approximation f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 2 plus 0.01 approximately equal to f of 2 plus 0.01 into dash of 2. F of 2 is 9. F dash of 2 is 9.8874. By putting this value and calculating, we'll get f of 2.01 approximately equal to 9.09887. Therefore, approximate value of t raised to 0.01 is 9.09887. 887. Next example. Find approximate value of log 9.01 to the base e, given that log 3 to the base e is 1.0986. For this, we define the function f of x. We define f of x as log of x to the base e. Now differentiating it with respect to x, derivative of log x to the base e is 1 by x. Now we are finding the value of a and h. Value of a is very near to 9.01, that can be easily calculated. Therefore, a is equal to 9. H is 9.01 minus 9 is 0.01. At x is equal to a is equal to 9, f of a and f dash of a becomes f of a is equal to f of 9 is equal to log of 9 to the base e. Log 9 can be written as 3 square. Therefore, log 9 to the base e is equal to log 3 square to the base e. By using laws of logarithm, log 3 square can be written as 2 log of 3. 2 log of 3 to the base e, and the value of log of 3 to the base e is 1.0986. Put this value, you will get 2 into 1.986 is equal to 2.1972. F dash of a is equal to f dash of 9 is equal to 1 upon 9, which is equal to 0.1111. Now put this value in the formula of approximation. F of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a. Therefore, f of 9 plus 0.01 approximately equal to f of 9 plus 0.01 into f dash of 9. F of 9 is 2.1972. F dash of 9 is 0.1111, and value of h is 0.01. Putting this value and calculating, you will get f of 9.01 approximately equal to 2.1983. Therefore, approximate value of log 9.01 to the base e is 2.198. Next example is we'll see the summary of this chapter. Approximation is used to find value of function where it cannot be determined easily. Secondly, approximation formula f of a plus h approximately equal to f of a plus h into f dash of a is to obtain using definition of derivative. Linear approximation works well when h value is small. Now, student, do some homework using with the reference of previous examples. Find approximate value of square root of 8.95, cube root of 28, 3.97 raised to 4, 4.01 cube of x is equal to x cube minus 3x plus 5 at x is equal to 0.99, tan inverse 0.99, tan inverse 1.001, e raised to 0.995, e raised to 0.01. For that given e square is equal to 7.389, log e, log 101 to the base e, log 1016 to the base 10. For that given log 10 to the base e is 0.302, log e to the base 10 is 0.43. sine 61 degree, given that 1 degree is equal to 0.175 radian and root 3 is 1.732. Do the homework properly. Thank you.